everyone. In this video I'm going to explain to you how to install Div C++, which is an open source C compiler or C++ compiler. You can use this program in Introduction to Programming course. Keep in mind this program is quite small, around 50 megabytes. So we are going to use it, and after that I'm going to show you how to use an online compiler. So first of all, go to Google, type Div C++, then the first option for download, just click here, download, and your download will start shortly. So once this is done, all you have to do is just wait, your download will come, we will say save. As you can see here, it's downloading quite fast. It will take less than 1 minute. This compiler is quite good to use because it's an open source compiler. You can write all your programs on this compiler without any problems, similar to Microsoft Visual C++. Microsoft Visual C++ will require a license. So after the download is done, we just click here, and then you want to set up, we will say yes. And installation is happening as we talk. It's quite fast, as I told you, and quite small, so it will not mostly have no problems in installing this program. So once installation is done, few things are left. I will show you just a few things how to do the simple program. So we run Div C++. Once we run it, it is going to open this window. Now we will go to File, New, Source File. So once we open a source file, it's better to go and save as. I'm going to save it as my first program. Okay, so I have my first program here, and then we are going to type the program. So our program is already there with me. So we start with hashtag include input output stream using namespace integer main cout. This is a simple program, and this program you can find in the lab sheet that provided for you on SULMS. So just copy this program. Next step is you go for execute, you compile the program. Now if the compiling is done and there are no errors or warnings, you will see over here 0 errors and 0 warnings. After that we go for execute and run the program, and you can see here this is our output screen, and it says this is my first program. So what is this is my first program? This is the output that I wrote here. So if I want to write here welcome to comp 1500, it will be displayed. For a shortcut, you can just type, you can press on this button, you see, compile and run. Just click here, it will compile and it will display the output over here. Quite simple, quite straightforward, nothing much there. It's very easy, and we will go through it as we go into the course. We will go through it and I will teach you more things about this compiler. Now alternatively, let's say you are not able to access this compiler, so we will go to cpp.sh, which is an online compiler. This online compiler, I will paste my program once more. See, just write the same program. You can see the colors very similar. Hashtag include is in blue, hashtag include here is in green, but these are indicated words. You can change the colors. I will show you how later on. And then you just run your program, and this is our output screen over here. This is my first program. This is a very fast tutorial on how to use Div C++, how to install it and use it. So during our first and second week we will concentrate on this part, and we will see, and we need to make sure that all of you are familiar with this process. So until next time, hope to see you soon. Please stay safe, and of course don't hesitate to contact any of the teaching team, and all your resources you will find on SULMS. Stay safe and stay at home.